What's going on, guys? Charge it up here in the garage. However, the Model X is out of the garage, so I'm gonna go ahead and walk to the Model X. This video is concerning the Model X. So the other day, Elaine's driving home on the highway, and oh my god, it's such a nice day. Anyways, but yeah, Elaine's driving home on the highway, and she noticed that the windshield is now cracked. Yep, it is now cracked. Not sure if you can see it from there, but I'll see if I can get a close-up right here. There you go. I think you can see it. It runs all the way across like so. So unfortunately, yep, there is a huge crack in the massive Model X windshield. Well, that's gotta get replaced, right? So this time I do have a service appointment made with Tesla. I actually did it through the app. The cost estimate for the windshield did come up. Any guesses on how much it's gonna cost? Well, put it down in the comment section down below, guys, and I'll do an update once it's actually finished, because it's a couple days away. So I'll do the replacement and I'll let you guys know how much it costs. Regardless of the cost of the windshield, it sucks. Doesn't matter what car you drive when you have to replace the windshield because of nonsense like this that happens from the highway. I'll be completely candid with you guys. A couple of months ago, I was on the highway driving. I don't know where we were going, but we were both in the car and something flew off a dump truck. So yeah, a dump truck. I mean, I'm saying something, but I'm 100% sure it was freaking rock. It hit my hood. There's a chip in my hood, which is really super annoying as well. And then it came, hit the windshield, and then it flew over. Now, I made a tiny little chip in the windshield. I really didn't think anything of it. However, that's the outcome right there because of the fluctuating temperatures of Canada right now, at least here in Toronto, of 5 degrees, 4 degrees, -7, you know, 6 degrees Celsius, -9, you know, like the back and forth, that's exactly what causes that. It happened to my Audi as well. Unfortunately, I had to replace the windshield on that too. But yeah, like I said, guys, let me know what you guys think it's gonna cost down in the description below, and then I'll tell you guys what it does cost once it's replaced, coming up soon.